welcome to an episode of Distance Cooking, where we can fill both our time and our bellies. Today we're making a meat sauce that can go with any pasta. First thing you want to do is brown your ground beef. Heat up your Dutch oven on medium heat for a few minutes, and then you're going to add your ground beef and you're going to crumble it up with a wooden spoon. For every 1 pound of ground beef, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. And you're going to brown it until it's cooked through, and then drain the fat. Remove the beef and the fat. You're going to add a little bit of olive oil back to the pan, and you're going to saute 6 cloves of minced garlic. You're going to add some tomato paste, and you want to wake it up in the pan. Stir that around. Add some beef stock or chicken stock or veggie stock, and you're going to scrape the bits off the bottom of your pan. Add some diced veggies. I use red onion and diced peppers. And then you're going to go in with the tomato sauce. So a can of tomatoes and 2 jars of marinara sauce. You're going to add some canned mushrooms for that great umami flavor, and a little bit of maple syrup to balance the acidity, and then some crushed red pepper, and then back in with the ground beef and stir it all together until it's combined. And then you're going to add salt to taste. After the sauce has been simmering for about an hour, you're going to add a little bit of heavy cream, about 1/2 cup, so that the sauce stays on your tongue a little bit longer. So I'm ready to taste the meat sauce that I have served over some whole wheat linguine, and I topped it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So, it's rich, meaty, and I can taste the mushrooms and the cheese and the sweetness and the savoriness. It's delicious. That wraps up this episode of Distance Cooking. We'll be back next time with more on how to make the most of our time at home.
Good morning, darling. I see you falling in and out of love. Is it because you're cold and heartless, or is it all withdrawals? Forgotten how to be your part of that final scene in Casablanca. I guess the heart is like a time bomb.